Hey, this is Matt with BrightStep Floor Coatings. One of the most common questions that we get here is it going to be dusty? So I want to address dust control today. So we have all of our machines out here just to kind of go over what you might see on the job site. Right here is our Lavina, which is kind of our workhorse. You're going to see that on our residential, smaller commercial projects. Now on the back of this to control dust is a dust port that connects to the hose to the vacuum. And this vacuum here has plenty of suction to control any of the dust that's coming out of that machine. And one of the great features of it is this bagging system. All of the dust drops down into here, and then we're able to separate that bag and close it off without having any of that dust exposed to the air. And then when it comes to doing our edges, we run hand tools like this edge polisher or edge grinders. And because they spin at such a high speed, they can be a little bit of an issue, especially when we're getting really close to the front edge. So to control that, we use the same size dust collector to manage that, so that way we're not having that cloud of dust coming out of the front. For our larger projects on commercial and industrial sites, we're often running our large Husqvarna remote control machine. And this is a very high productivity machine, meaning it takes a lot of concrete down in a very short amount of time. And to control that amount of dust, we rely on our T10000 from Husqvarna. Now this thing has an incredible amount of airflow to control the dust that comes out of this machine. And just like our other vacuum, it has the same type of bagging system. So that way we're never having to deal or expose ourselves or our clients to that dust. What that does is really minimizes the cleanup afterwards for us and on the walls, things like that, and the hazards of being exposed to that dust. So if you ever have a question about any project you have coming up, feel free to give us a call. We're always happy to talk about it.